Weather from where you live.
Wow, 224 reports of severe weather to our southwest and south tonight, and 13 reports of tornadoes, and all those are centered around the St. Louis area. So obviously the bullseye, the real severe weather, is right in this area tonight, where we've had those tornadoes and hail up to grapefruit size in eastern Missouri. Nonetheless, I am tracking some of these storms, though. Some of these storms just southwest of Terre Haute are moving off to the northeast, so these could impact some of our southern counties here. And this storm has had a history of rotation with it, so that one will need to be watched. And also, these storms have been producing at times 1-inch diameter hail, so we're not out of the woods with a severe weather threat, but certainly the worst of the severe weather just down to the south here for the overnight hours. You can see some of these storms just off to the west that will be in here and certainly out of here by the early morning hours, say 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. Of course, a lot of lightning here too to our southwest, again with some of these storms, and also some of these storms in eastern Illinois moving off to the east. Now, temperatures are warming up. They've been creeping upward all evening. I just checked. It's now 63 here at the station, but we have yet to see those mid and upper 60s get in here. That may be a very slight limiting factor with any severe weather, but the warm front has not made it to Winamac and Rochester, where it's upper 40s respectively. And I just checked with Marianne. It just actually increased. It is now 58 here recently up at Remington. So overnight tonight, again, I think Lafayette, Monticello, Winamac, Rochester, most of the viewing area, Otterman, Fowler, some pockets of hail are possible. There could be an isolated damaging wind gust in the form of a pocket of straight line winds or a microburst, but for any isolated tornado threat, it looks like that's going to be mainly down south towards the I-74 corridor. So still the potential of at least some severe weather overnight, but this is going to taper down again towards 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. So there you have it, some of the storms that'll pass through overnight. Nothing more than a brief early shower tomorrow, and then not too bad of an afternoon. Partly cloudy largely, though down in the south here it may stay mostly cloudy for the afternoon, but at least pretty warm day tomorrow. And then some rain and a few thunderstorms start to well back up by Saturday night and into Sunday. So certainly Saturday the better of the 2 weekend days, with highs tomorrow, Saturday, running 70 Rochester and Peru, 71 Lafayette, 72 Fowler, and 68 where it'll be a little more cloudy at Crawfordsville, 68 at Atlanta. So not a bad day really to start your weekend off here. But let's track the next storm headed our way. First of all, again, we've got that severe weather threat at least for a while here. That pulls away. Pretty windy tomorrow, but still pretty nice day. Temps around 71, but warm front will work back northward, so showers and storms arrive late tomorrow night, Sunday, on into Monday, and then another severe weather threat on Tuesday with highs upper 70s to near 80. And rainfall is really going to start to become an issue around here, folks. This is tonight right through next Thursday. Easily the entire viewing area, a good 3 inches of rain, if not up to 3.5 inches. Over that several-day period. All right, 7-day forecast. Again, tomorrow not too bad. 71, a little windy, though, out of the west and southwest. 70 on Sunday. Showers and storms arriving. And then the severe weather threat on Tuesday. And then turning cooler later on next week. Again, nothing like Tuesday. Worst of the severe weather down to our south, but I would not put my guard down yet. It's not over yet, and there are still some storms that are going to pass through overnight, Nicole.
And those temperatures are really going to shoot up.